guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be me counting what's in my cash envelopes and my sinking, well, just my sinking funds, because I'm going to be swapping out some bills for prop money. So that's what I'm going to be having in here. So, and I also want to show you guys my new binder, so stay tuned if you want to see it. I'm so excited for it. So we are going to go to, we're going to do birthday. Birthday has $25, so we're not going to swap any money here. That, I'm not swapping none of that. That's actually going to the bank. Now let's see. Electronics, we should have $370. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So 370. Once this hits 500, this is gonna go to the bank and I'm gonna swap it out for a $500 bill. Cushion, don't have nothing. Home and move, so I have in the bank, I believe is 15.21, and it grew some interest, which was 64 cents, but 64 cents is 64 cents. So we have here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 80, 90, 100. That is 2, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So we have 275 here, which makes it $1,796.64 for what I have for home and move. And then back to school is 50. All right, college fund should have 473. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So college fund has 473. Once this hits 500, this is going to the bank and I'm swapping it for a $500 bill. But it's going to be prop money. Well, fake money, however you want to say it. And then this should have $390, I believe. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. That's 3, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So I should have here, oh, I have more than that. I was bugging out because I'm like, wait, did I count that right or wrong? So I have 3 here. So I actually have $410, $415, if I'm correct. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna leave it on the screen. So once this hits 500, you guys already know, I'm swapping it out and all this money's gonna just go in the bank. Now, Christmas. Christmas has $813, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 600, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That is 700, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And that's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, so 814 I have. Woohoo! So what I'm going to do is I am going to take out $500 from here. And I'm going to use one of these from me winning that giveaway from Two Moms Budget. So I'm going to put one of these $500 in there. So I'm going to take $500 from out of here. And I'm actually going to do smaller bills. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so that's 3, 4, 5. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is actually going to the bank. And then I'm going to have these $500 here to replace it. So once the other 500, you know, hits, I am going to put this in a bank. So this is going to the bank. I'm going to put that right there. So that's for this one. Let me just put that to the side. And then we have senior dues. Senior dues. Once it hits 5, then I'll put that in the bank. Fun. We don't need to put fun. Fun only has 1. Let me see. I think 1 and change, right? Yep, 150. Oh, hold up. 155. Fun has. Senior dues still has the 400. Transportation has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 20, 40, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 59, 60. So I have 260 for transportation, which I might take the $60 from here and put it towards savings. Because I don't know if some of you watched my earlier videos a couple of months ago. My boss pays for my transportation, so I think I'm just trying to stay ahead just in case, you know, he forgets. So I need to just put it in until he, you know, reimburses me. So clothing's not gonna get anything. Emergency actually gets 1,000 slip because I have the 1,000 in the bank. So let me get that 1,000 slip. And here we go. So I have 1,060 for emergency. Woohoo. Okay, savings. Savings is at 458 it should be. So all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Okay, so I am back, guys. So savings has 458, and then vet emergency has $500. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to place a $500 here. I'm so excited that I'm gonna place a $500 slip in there. And then for me is nothing. Uber Eats is nothing, and business is $1. So I made a new binder, and the new binder is going to be for me saving for my home. Okay guys, I am back. So I wanted to introduce you guys to my home binder. I haven't decorated everything yet, but it will be coming little by little. But I wanted to share it with you guys. I did it green because, you know, money's green, and that's what I am trying to save here is money. So let's go through it. And I am actually using the slide ones. I didn't make my own cash envelopes, but I did do these. So one is home and move, utilities, home decor, home appliances, and you know, shit happens. So with that being said, if there's anything else I should be saving for a home, please let me know in the comment section below. So little by little, I will be decorating this one. Actually, hold on. Let's see how pretty my home and move is going to look. And here, I forgot. So this is going to go right in here. Let me fix it. Yes, that looks amazing. And I forgot, guys, that I have to put $1,000 slip in there, because I do have $1,000. Actually, 1,500. I have 1,500 in the bank. So that's gonna go in there. And look how pretty. So, and then I'm gonna take that envelope and I'm gonna use it for something else. So yeah, guys, so this completes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was just so excited to show you my new binder. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll be seeing everyone in my next video.